Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So welcome to another session, and this is the MCQ that was posted on our YouTube community on 9th of March 2024. This is again related to what? This is again related to working capital, right? So I'm trying to cover one chapter at a time, right? So this is working capital MCQ. Please subscribe to the channel, like to kar do yaar video. Any problems with you hitting the like button? I don't see, I don't know, right? You people are not watching the videos, not liking. This is really disappointing on your part because we have been putting so many efforts. Please do it, guys. Please do it. Okay, so this question, 211 students answered it and 79% got the right answer. So that's quite a good number, right? Happy with that. But let's see what is there and what you have to remember from the examination point of view. Opening and closing stock of SVK Limited is rupees 1,20,000 and 1,80,000 respectively. Material consumed in the income statement is 3,60,000. Okay. Suppliers of the material extend 4 weeks credit. How much of the creditors will be shown in the preparation of working capital statement? Now, when we talk about the creditors, what should be taken? Whether the raw material consumption should be taken or whether the raw material purchase should be taken. One thing is very clear, that when we are talking about the creditors is not for the consumption. The creditors is for the raw material purchased. How will you calculate the purchases now? Let's see. How do you calculate the purchase? If you remember the trading account, how do we prepare the trading account? We say the opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock will give you what? Opening stock plus purchases minus the closing stock will give you the raw material consumption. Will give you what? Will give you consumption. Now, what are the things that are given to you here? The opening stock is given 120. So I'll take it here 1,20,000. The purchases are to be calculated. I write it as P. Closing stock is given 1,80,000 and the consumption is also given in the question, that is 3,60,000. So can you tell me what will be the P from here? That is purchases 3,60,000 minus 1,20,000 plus 1,80,000. Please calculate this thing. Calculate this. So this is 4,20,000, isn't it? So the purchases are 4,20,000. What will be the figure of creditors that will be shown in the working capital? 4,20,000 and the creditors are giving the 4 weeks credit, right? Divided by 52 weeks. Now the answer will come out to 32,308. This is rounded off. Right, this is the correct answer. 32,308. This is the correct answer for this. Right. So this is how you have to be. Calculating this, and these kind of MCQs can definitely be asked in the examination. Also, they can pick a small part of the working capital statement. Right, and they can ask you an MCQ like this one. So please keep practicing whatever we are posting. That's really important, and please do share these videos with all your friends in all your groups wherever you can, so that everybody is able to take the benefit of this. And please hit the like button. That is really important. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing.